Guys, I'm gonna show you how to use asana forums to submit tasks and requests. But before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more asana tutorials. So open asana on your browser and log into your account. Now we'll get to this page. Click on the customize button on the top right sidebar next to the ship button. Click on it and scroll down. You'll find the option forms under the workflow features. Under ideas you find forms. Click on forms and to get set with forms, click on add to add a new form. So here you can add a cover image for your form and add your form name. For example, here let it be name and the title should be text, and you can check if this field of the form is required or not. You can also have an address. You can also select another field here. For example, you can choose the priority and the status, and you get the idea, guys. Sure. Okay. Add heading and the name here. Example, you can add the heading by form. So you can add a question here. The question, for example, what is your favorite color? And you can add an option to allow further user to choose as an answer. Simple blue, and you can see red, etc. So you get the idea, guys, here. So you can also measure if this answer of the question is required or not. And this is pretty much it, guys. You can add attachment file also. So I can add an attachment with the user can attach files here. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and just leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.